everyone! Today I'm going to give you a review of guilt-free desserts. In the video, I'll be buying the product and then giving you a virtual tour of its contents. If you love eating desserts but are health conscious and also afraid of becoming fat, then guilt-free desserts is the solution to your problem. In guilt-free desserts, you will find recipes for sweet treats that are healthy and also taste great. The recipes substituted the unhealthy ingredients in the desserts with those that are natural and beneficial for your body. So, you'll be able to enjoy these delicious desserts and still lead a healthy lifestyle. Okay, before I buy guilt-free desserts, I would like to highlight that it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that if you're not satisfied with a product, you can get a full refund. Now, let's scroll down and click the order button. After that is the ClickBank payment page. If you don't know what ClickBank is, well, it's something like PayPal. It's the middleman between the seller and the buyer. It protects your financial information and guarantees you get what you purchased. I proceeded to enter my credit card information, which has been blurred out. Then I click the Pay Now button. Next, I see the confirmation page, and we'll click on the Complete Your Order button. Alright, I'm now on the download page, and we'll scroll down to save the Guilt-Free Desserts ebook. In this ebook, you'll find 50 simple dessert recipes that are healthy yet taste delicious. Besides recipes, you'll also learn about using natural and healthy ingredients in your desserts. Flour is used in most desserts, but traditional flours are not very healthy, as they are high in carbohydrates and are also high glycemic. So, you will discover which healthy, gluten-free, and low glycemic flours you can use as substitutes. You will also learn about various sweeteners, artificial and natural. The ebook tells you the dangers involved with using Splenda, a popular artificial sweetener. Instead, it recommends using natural, low glycemic sweeteners that will not be bad for your health, and also does not spike your blood sugar like sugar. You will learn about these various sweeteners and how to use them. Another important ingredient in baking is fats, and in guilt-free desserts, you'll discover the healthy fats that you should be using and which fats you should avoid. If you still want to reduce the amount of calories on your baked treats, there are also substitutes you can use, but they increase the amount of sugars, so don't use too much of them. Alright, now I'll let you have a peek at a recipe in this ebook. At the start of the recipe are infos such as number of servings, time needed, nutrition details, and healthy benefits, so you can tell at a glance if this is a dessert you're interested in. Then, you get the list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions to make the dessert. There's a great variety of dessert recipes in the ebook, a total of 50, which is certainly enough to meet all your dessert cravings. So, if you're looking for healthy dessert recipes that you and your family can enjoy guilt-free, then you should definitely check out Guilt-Free Desserts. Therefore, if you're interested, please visit the official website for more details and read the testimonials. I wish you all the best in making healthy and delicious desserts that you can enjoy all the time.